Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a new makeup look, that is office going makeup look, and without any further ado, let's start the video. As it is very hot and my skin is oily, I have cleaned my face with a cleanser and then applying a light moisturizer. After applying moisturizer, I have taken a primer from Color Bar which will minimize my pores. Now I have taken a foundation from L'Oreal in the shade Radiant Sand and applying it to my full face for medium coverage, and I am blending it with a wet blender. After blending the foundation, now I have taken a concealer to cover my dark circles and dark spots on my skin and blending it well with a blender. After blending my concealer, I have taken a compact from Nykaa and just patting it with a brush on my face. After applying compact, I am just now drawing my eyebrows with a eyebrow definer from Swiss Beauty. After drawing my eyebrows, I have taken the lightest brown shade from the same eyebrow definer and applying as eyeshadow. Now I have taken a kajal and using it as a liner on my upper lids so that I can get ready quickly, and taking the same thing I am applying on my lower lids as kajal. Now I am using a mascara to give volume to my eyes. For blush, I am using a red lip cream on my cheeks and blending it well with a blender for a soft pink effect on my cheek. As it is office going makeup, I have not used any highlighter for face, and now I am using a nude shade of lipstick and mixing it with a purplish lipstick to get a nude effect. Hope so you have liked the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and comment me below what kind of makeup look you want to see next.